Welcome traders to the Polaris Trading Group PTG University Indicator Review. Today's indicator we'll look at is the Target Master Stat-X Zone, which stands for Statistical Extreme. And the Target Master Stat-X Zone, also known as the Tmxz, automatically plots key price levels and statistical extreme zones, which act as our daily template for our trade strategy plan each morning. These levels and zones are calculated and plotted for the next session at the Globex opening, which is 6 p.m. Eastern Time for the E-minis. Let's take a look at the chart, see what it looks like. Okay, we're taking a look at the S&P 60-minute chart on a Globex 24-hour basis, and with the overlay of the Target Master Stat-X zones. And the breakout levels in breakout level 1, breakout target, and breakout level 1, and breakout target to the downside are displayed. These are 5-day normalized ranges, so typically the market is very symmetrical. It will expand and contract within set parameters on a normalized basis. Now, on a normalized basis means simply on an average basis, but prices, as we know, can be much more volatile than the norm, and in which case we look to measure the extremes of those of those price moves. Okay, so what we're really interested in here, okay, is taking a look at where prices move outside the normal boundaries or the upper and lower extensions, okay, of the normal price parameters, and they reach what we would refer to as statistical extremes. Okay, so in a case like this here on 321, prices had pushed up, and you can see how they stopped and they topped out right at a target master level, and within the context as well of the statistical X zone. Okay, you can see again down here at the lower edge, okay, prices found support and reversed at another key target master level. Okay, so again, the markets are symmetrical, right? Very similar. Many of you will probably recognize some AB equals CD patterns in here. Okay, the markets just that's what they do. They go from extremes, all right, from one end of the spectrum, and they go to extremes to the other end of the spectrum. Okay, and so what we're looking to do, and one of the core type opportunities that we look at in the methodology and in the trading room on a day-to-day basis, is looking for those extreme levels. Okay, and they're already the interesting part of all this is that these levels are already on these charts, are painted in advance the night before. Okay, so as we come in the next morning, we already have preset parameters of which we're looking to take trades from. So we're looking to take trades from these extremes, looking for reversal points. Okay, now again, it's not as simple as just taking buying and selling them from those levels, but those are the extreme zones that we're going to be looking for on a day-to-day basis to see what the large institutional player, Mr. Big, is looking to do. So when prices go to an extreme, there's a natural tendency for the bigs, okay, to want to buy the dips. All right, same thing when prices reach extremes, the bigs want to sell their positions, want to initiate short positions. Okay, now knowing how the large institutional players, the big money managers, play this game is really vital, all right, to understanding and trade opportunities and when prices have gone to extremes. This is a very powerful set of levels and confluence zones that we use on a day-to-day basis, and again, as it forms the basis of our trade strategies, continually on a day-to-day. So most of the uninformed traders out there in the world, okay, they're selling them at the lows, they're buying them at the highs. The informed traders, and those are traders here at the Polaris Trading Group, as well as other professional traders out there that are informed, they're the ones that seem to be, fading the levels, fading the sellers, fading the buyers at these key zones, and they seem to be the ones that are always within that 5% that are winning all the time. Okay, so if you have an understanding and a proper perspective of where these extreme zones are, you can align yourself with Mr. Big. That's what we do here at Polaris Trading Group. This is one of our key core indicators and set of indicators that we use to accomplish those goals. Okay, hope this helps. Good trading, everybody.